Good evening. Welcome to ISTV News. I am Prasant Ahong Sangwam giving you news. For the top story at this hour, 48 hours ban called by Kuki State Demand Committee has affected normal lives in Manipur. Police arrested 2 cadres of ULF with arms and ammunition before Independence Day celebration. Now the news in detail. The 48 hours ban called by Kuki State Demand Committee has affected normal lives in Manipur. It may be recalled that KSDC has been urging to form an independent Kuki state in Manipur. The 48 hours ban, which began from last midnight yesterday, has heavily affected normal lives and activities in Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur. KSDC 48-hour ban came after the end of 48-hour ban in Naga inhabited areas of Manipur under UNC for an alternate arrangement of the Nagas outside the government of Manipur. Though the ban has been already enforced in Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur, there is no any report of untoward incidents so far. Interstate and inter-district buses remain off. Roads, education institutions in Kuki inhabited areas remain closed, and officers are registered very low attendance. Shops and business establishments in and around Kangpokpi areas remain paralyzed. We have a detailed report on the ban from our reporter Ramanda from Kangpokpi. Police has been able to arrest 2 cadres of proscribed ULF before Independence Day celebration. The arrested cadres are identified as 1. Laisram Kishan Singh, age 27, son of Laisram Kunjomitai of Nuwalikai, and Laisram Ongbi Sana Devi from the same locality. According to the information received by ISTV News, both of them were arrested on 11 August last by a police team led by SI P. Okendro and 27 Assam Rifle team. The 2 were paraded before media persons at Shugnu police station today, along with the seized arms and ammunitions. 1 9mm pistol, 14 live rounds and 1 hand grenade were recovered from the possessions. According to the information received from police, the 2 of them were arrested on 30th July on a raid conducted at the residence of 1 Kanto of ULF in Charin Makhalikai. While both of them are arrested from the house of Kanto, Kanto could not be able to arrest as he escaped under cover of darkness. It is also came to the conclusion that the arms and ammunition are given to them by Kanto to carry out supervision activities for Independence Day. Patriots Day celebration was held at Sanjang Mayalikai. The day was jointly organized by Saijang Progressive Youth Club and IPSA. Information and Publicity Secretary of IPSA, Atoba Kurazam, and CLK President L. Tampak Lema were also present on the occasion. On the other hand, the day was observed at the Kaino by Kaino Gram Panchayat and IPSA Kaino Local Council. Kamai Lema Presidents Y. Lema and Sena Citizen Forum Kaino Presidents A. Tesmani were also present on the occasion. At Moirang also, IPSA Local Council Moirang and Kastubar Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya observed at Moirang. IPSA Presidents Johnson Ilangbam and Kohor Convener Fulindro Konsam were also present in the observance. Floral tributes were also paid to the martyrs and spoke in the laying about their contributions and the sacrifice for the society. Janata Dal United Manipur has strongly opposed any effort to give away even an inch of land of Manipur to others. In a press statement, JDU has stated that government should make all possible attempt not to give away even a single inch of state land to Myanmar under the present border fencing work taken up at the international border. On the other hand, the party has also observed Patriots Day celebration at its office located at Bawpara yesterday. Apart from paying full tribute to the martyr, a 2-minute silence was also observed to pay respect to the late leaders. A mass public discussion on protection and preservation of Sana Konung was held on 10th August at Sana Konung, even though various civil society organizations are carrying out regular protest sessions. As per the resolution of the discussion, a meeting was also held today at Sana Konung under Sana Konung Sengwasagwa Loop. President of Sana Konung Sengwasagwa Loop, H. Gopal Masa, said the meeting decided to implement the resolution taken up on 10th August last. He further maintained that efforts are on to renovate and improve condition of Sana Konung at the earliest.
Cabinet Punkiba, my decisions in Mase, we do it Dr. Benina, Argolena, Miam the Su, Koi Konung Sengut Pagisigi, Sinabira Benina, a quick amount of Semsige, Pandrive Nakamantova, Argolena, Punching Semase, Chapchap, Kambada investment or Gahana Kanba, my Amdugida, quite trust Amaka Sembi Wakalo, Lazy. Argolena, Makal, Mayama, quite wage and the means, Tibanina dum, a quite Jeriti, nothing but Babadum, which Atabaya and Nasi, me pumps in a Canadum, Adubu, Sina Arabantum in a Yangre, Sigiti, quite type Pandrive, Tonabagi, quite resource mobilization, Sigisi. Swana Lajare.
A press meet was held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen in connection with the 5-day state level awareness cum demonstration of Manipur Inakanba Loop to be held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen. Speaking to the media persons, executive members of the Loop, S. Hemanta, said that during the 5-day awareness cum demonstration program, Pena, Nat Sankritan, Arangpam, Maiba, Mandamapu and Christian tradition practices will also be practiced and demonstrated. He also appealed to the people of Manipur to take part in the said program. Nabawarepa also said that religious rituals and practices from birth till death of a person will also be deliberated in detail during the awareness program by various expert and resource persons.
Ipana ipuna ki leiriba traditional culture ki masak asima ngasi aikoina ngahorabadi malemda manipuri hana kauba khunai asigisu masagi ariba na sanskriti lejaba adu malaipa amani haibado khangan mangam janabagi damukta sigumba thoromase aikoina pakthokjaga. With the arrival of 8 NISA State League, activities among various football clubs in the state is fast increasing. Taiwan AC MLA T.H. Joy Kisan today hosted the NISA flag today along with the blessing for the successful conduct of 8 NISA State Football League. Jersey numbers for NISA players are also distributed to the players of NISA at his office today. T. Ajit Kumar will be the team captains of the NISA to open their campaign. I. Nilakumar, a former player of MPSC, will be given jersey number 11 for NISA. In commemoration of the day when the British left Manipur on the 14th of August, that is 66 years ago, the 10th Custom and Traditional Celebration Day organized by the 9 organizations Manipur, Chumerong Khonangkarak Assembly Road was held today at GM Hall. Adaksha of Thawal District, Kumantem Ongbi, Surnabala Devi and the President of Board of Directors, Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank, T.H. Dilekumar were present on the occasion among others. As a part of the events, 2 minutes of silence was observed to mark homage to the great leaders of Manipur who laid down their lives in the hands of the British for the cause of the people of Manipur. Presentation of gifts were given to the several peoples with outstanding performance. Before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. 48 hours ban called by Kuki State Demand Committee has affected normal lives in Manipur, and police arrested 2 cadres of ULF with arms and ammunition before Independence Day celebrations. Thank you for watching ISTV News. Stay tuned for more news updates.